Intercity heat highways and city-wide green heat grids have been developed in Denmark to transport heat in the form of heated water from the point of generation directly to consumers in large population centres as a means of heating their homes. One of the most important heat sources for these future energy systems is in fact heat generated as a byproduct from commercial and industrial processes. Power stations, wastewater plants, supermarkets, distilleries, bakeries and laundries surrounding our cities are just some of the industries producing vast amounts of excess heat. Most of this heat is needlessly discarded to the surrounding atmosphere, accelerating us deeper into an era of global boiling. Instead, this clean, low-cost heat could be harvested and transported, even over vast distances via large insulated pipes in the ground, directly to consumers in our towns and cities, just like the gas grid distributes gas to our homes today. In times where there is more heat from these sources than can be used, or even in periods of high renewable electricity production from wind or solar, the electricity can be converted to heated water, and both can be cost-effectively stored for months at a time, saving low-cost heat for when it is needed the most. We can never be sure what new technologies will emerge or which new industries there will be in the future. But when these arrive, and if the pipes are in the ground, then these too can be integrated into our heat highways and green heat grids. Imagine a new data center which produces immense amounts of heat from all the electrical components in the servers. For it to function, this heat will need to be extracted, and if we are to achieve our net zero targets, then this heat will need to be used as part of our future energy system. This is good news for UK industries too. For example, a steelworks selling their excess heat will lower their operating costs and give them a competitive advantage. Or a wastewater treatment plant would be able to fund infrastructure improvements to limit the number of overspills. The flexibility to accept any excess heat source means that heat highways and green heat grids will become greener and greener as time goes by, making them the no-regret and future-proof way of securing affordable, zero-carbon heat for generations to come. Future-proofing heat for good.